Hi everyone, welcome to Discovery Natural. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, we're going to just dive straight into the video. And if this is your first time watching me, I want to say big welcome, and I want to introduce myself very briefly. So my name is Shola and I'm a certified hair coach, and what I do is you contact me, I work with you one-on-one on any of your hair issues, on your kids' hair issue, whatever issues you have with your hair. I'm going to drop the link in the description and also in the comment area, and you can contact me and we can work together. So today's question stems from someone on my Facebook page, Discovery Natural, and the person was asking, what hair cream can they use? What can they use to soften their hair? And I'm going to debunk all the fact, because what happens is that when people ask questions like this, you get a lot of people responding, telling you, use ABC cream, use ADC cream, use this, use that, use that. But first of all, one thing I want you to realize is to understand, why is your hair hard? Why is your hair not soft? So one thing that you need to look at is, first of all, you need to look at your routine. What are you doing when it comes to taking care of your hair? When I went further and investigated what this person was doing, I later on discovered that what was happening was that she was just shampooing her hair with whatever she had in hand. Even sometimes she takes a bathing soap and uses it to shampoo her hair. And then after that, she would just take shea butter and rub it on her hair, and that was it. Then the following day, her hair will be hard and dry. So instead of doing that, so first of all, create a routine that is a moisture infused routine. So what do I mean by moisture infused routine? Your routine should consist of a good shampoo, a good conditioner, deep conditioner. A leave-in conditioner is so vital, and it's so helpful in softening your hair, and also a good moisturizer. If you understand your hair porosity, then you know whether your hair needs water-based or lighter, not heavier product, or if your hair needs heavier product. So if you don't know how to know your hair porosity, I'm going to just link that there, or you can ask below and I'll just drop the link. You can find the link on my YouTube channel. Just search for Discovery Natural Porosity, and you have a playlist of how to wash your hair, how to care for your hair, how to find your hair porosity. So let's dive into how to soften your hair when it feels hard. First thing first, shampoo. Make sure that you're using a sulfate-free shampoo, especially if you're someone that you don't use hair grease. If you use hair grease, you want to use a sulfate shampoo, but you also want to use a moisturizing deep conditioner after that. So you use a shampoo. I use this shampoo. This is Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening Shampoo. Is a clarifying shampoo because I'm low porosity and I tend to get product buildup. So I have to use a shampoo that removes the product. Sometimes when your hair is hard and your hair doesn't feel soft, it is possible that you have a ton of product buildup. You have products on your hair strands that doesn't allow the moisturizer you're using to penetrate well. So you always make sure that when you're washing your hair, you have to remove all that product from your hair. Next, it is very vital if you follow up with a deep conditioner. This is a moisturizing deep conditioner. It's an intense hydrating deep conditioner from Shea Moisture. This is just what I use. I bought everything with my money, so I'm not sponsored in any way, but I bought it, and I can drop the link or tag. I'm going to tag these products on my page. So I'm going to use YouTube or whatever to tag these products on my page. Or you can go on my Amazon page and also find these products. So this is what I use. This is very moisturizing, very hydrating. Now, people confuse the word moisture and hydration. Just know that when you hear the word hydrating or hydration in natural hair, it means it's penetrating, it's going in there. So things like a liquid, like a leave-in, like something like that. Now moisturizer will be after the fact. It moisturizes the strand. Hydrating goes inside. It's something penetrating inside the hair shaft. Next, when you deep condition your hair, you will notice that if you use the right deep conditioner, it's going to soften your hair. It's going to make your hair feel soft. There's no way around it. But if you use, let's say you use protein conditioners all the time, it could make your hair feel harder, especially if you don't use a moisturizing deep conditioner after it. Next, when it's time to moisturize your hair, I was saying after using the deep conditioner and rinsing off the deep conditioner, you do want to use a leave-in conditioner, and that also nourishes the hair and keeps the moisture going. When it is during the week and your hair is starting to feel a little bit dry, you actually don't want your hair to get to the point where it's like overlay dry, okay? So you want to use a liquid. Use a liquid and use a moisturizing cream to combat that hardness, to bring moisture to your hair. If you're someone that you are diligent in moisturizing your hair, diligent in adding moisture to your hair, diligent in checking your hair morning and night to see, does my hair need to be moisturized, you'll find that your hair would not feel hard and soft. Be very observant about the products that you use in your hair. If you find that you are someone that you are low porosity and a lot of the products you are using contains so much protein, what could happen is your hair could have protein overload, and your hair could also get hard, and also that hardness could make it dry and brittle and thereby break, and you might not retain length. So just be mindful of those facts. If you have any questions or if you don't know how to even create a routine for your hair, you can always contact me and I'll be able to work with you one-on-one. I really appreciate you for watching this, and if this video has been helpful, let me know. If you have any questions about your hair or your kids' hair, drop it in the comment area and I will also answer it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.